Welcome back to another advanced lesson in Millennial Money. I'm your host, Alexandra Gonzalez. Have you ever bought something just because someone else had it? Well, the truth is, people fall for hot tips all the time and end up getting burned. So in this episode, Robert Kiyosaki will teach you on how to protect yourself from buying fake assets.
I'm talking about fake assets today, and this is one of my favorite fake assets here. It's your generation's fake meat. No, it's called Beyond Meat.
Yeah.
What's happening with this stuff with your generation?
So I think a lot of people are becoming more health conscious and just really going on this train of it's becoming very trendy to, there's diets like keto, being vegan, vegetarian. And
Anti-meat.
Anti-meat. And so I think people are trying to find just a different diet that accommodates their needs.
Correct.
And Beyond Meat is one of them, or being vegan is one of them.
Right. And so this here is Beyond Meat, is beyond the burger. Now I bought this personally. I did eat it. It tastes great. And will I eat it again? Maybe. But talking about fake teachers and fake assets, being older than most of you guys, this stuff's been around for years. There's been fake meat out for years. And the only reason it's made so much publicity is because in the fake assets, Wall Street pumped the heck out of it. So they wanted to get the IPO price up to about $50. Now it's about 150, went as high as 300 or something like that. It's all fake. This is a fake asset, okay? Now, am I a vegan? I would say I've lost a lot of weight because I eat less meat.
Yeah.
But I won't eat this stuff. Because what I do, again, having real teachers, and this is a report from my friend here. So again, you got to know who fake, not only fake assets, but what the fake product, and we talked about fake brands.
Yeah.
So this stuff has been around for years, and my friend here, his name is Bert Doman. His thing is fake meat, an unhealthy choice for you and your portfolio. So this is why I get richer, is because I don't listen to the hype of Wall Street. I've taken companies public. The only reason they did this is called a pump and dump. They pump the stock up, all the suckers rush in, and they dump it. I forget the numbers here. But it started out at $46. It ran up to 123 in a few minutes, and then it crashed, and then went up to something. It just goes up, and these guys are just sucking the profits off of it.
Yeah.
So you and I jump in there, we buy this stock. The IPO, they made so much money on the IPO before anybody made any money. And the reason I know that, I've taken 3 companies public through IPOs. They don't care if you make money. We've already made our money. That's why this new book, Profits First, most of my generation, your generation, they don't give a crap about the person. They want to make sure they make their profits and screw you.
Yeah.
So that's why you've got to know what's real and what's fake. I like this product. It tastes good. But when you read what's in it, this guy says, his name is Bert Doman, a good friend of mine, this stuff will kill you. Yeah. It's like Diet Coke. Tastes good, bad for you. My friend was a partner with Colonel Sanders, Kentucky Fried Chicken. He says the Colonel was vegetarian. He said to me, he says, old Carlos, he took a bite of his Kentucky Fried Chicken. He says, don't eat this stuff, it'll kill you. Now, do I eat it? Yeah, I like Colonel Sanders. But I also know it'll kill me if I eat all of it all the time. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you've got to know, the game here is called a pump and dump. This is a fake asset. It's also fake meat, but it's playing into your health consciousness. Am I correct?
I mean, they've done a great marketing tactic behind it, and I think a lot of products do this marketing tactic where people think they're buying into something healthy. In reality, it's killing your body. I mean, it's unhealthy, and like he mentioned, it's unhealthy for your portfolio too. But I've heard a bunch of people that invest in stock, and they wanted to jump onto this because they see it's going up, and that's usually what the average person does. Whenever it's going up, they want to invest in it.
Yeah, it's been around for years, and I buy some more of it. It tastes good, but I also know it's full of chemicals. And the same as Colonel Sanders. I like Colonel Sanders. Extra crispy, my favorites. You know? They used to have the McRibs over with, no, they used to have ribs. I know it's, fast food is not good for you. We all know that. But so that's what they're playing off of here is, my generation was the McDonald's generation. Yours is the fake meat generation.
I mean, it's fake everything. And we question why like people are so obese, and it's just because we're getting these fake ingredients and nothing really, our body doesn't know how to process this.
And look at the pharmaceuticals now. They actually have fake drugs. So my point here is I'm not making Beyond Meat wrong, or the stock market wrong, or Colonel Sanders wrong, or Coca-Cola wrong. I mean, my doctor just says, don't you touch that Coke. Coke is the most caustic thing you can, if you get a Coke and you put a penny inside, the penny soon dissolves. Does that mean don't drink Coke? No, they're making fortunes. Warren Buffett, he'll sell anything. He loves Coca-Cola.
Yeah.
That guy's got no conscience. No, but anyway, he does what he has to do to make money. Okay? But your generation has to know the difference between real and fake. That's all I'm saying here.
Yeah. Just being more aware of what we're putting into our body and having the information, then you can make this a decision if you're going to eat the fried chicken or the vegetarian burger.
Yeah, this stuff's been around for years. All of this is a pump and dump.
Yeah.
It's just repackaging. Wall Street gets behind it. They pump it up. They collect all their fees. All the traders walk in. They all buy it, and then they dump it on you. That's happened to Bitcoin too,
Yeah. As Robert always says, when emotions go up, intelligence goes down. So the next time you get a hot tip, do your own research. And remember, who's actually getting rich? Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this and want to see more, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Comment below and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys. See you next time.